non-conventional structures. From the moment he embarked on the task of developing a code dependent on AC, taking into account that structures that contain liquids are unique structures, whose seismic design is not adequately covered by the main national codes and standards, which is why the need to create special provision for the seismic and the tools provide a set of complete producers for seismic analysis and the sinks of all types of environmental concrete structures that contain liquids. These committees in their development work develop the following main objectives: produce an autonomous set of procedures that allow a practicing engineer to perform a complete seismic analysis and design of a structure containing a liquid. That is the determination of seismic loads based on the maximum considered Kirkwood mapping and geometry of the structure, which required the inclusion of all types of tank, both rectangular and circular, reinforced concrete, and pasteurized. The foregoing was intended to obtain and maintain at least following two advantages. One, allows SE to maintain the SE practice of limiting its seismic design provisions only to the resistance side. 2. Makes it easy to update these seismic provisions to keep up with the frequent changes and improvements in the field of seismic hazard analysis and evaluation. By comparing this provision with other documents that define seismic forces and allow the stress levels, it can be said that the seismic forces in the star must be reduced by applied factors to derive comparative forces to allowable stress levels. Based on above, some of the key differences in relation to the traditional methodologies are represented. 1. Instead of assuming a rigid tank of which the acceleration is equal to the acceleration of the growth in all places, this standard assumes the amplification of the repose due to the natural frequency of the tank. 2. This standard includes the response modification factor. 3. Instead of the combining the impulsive combative modes by algebraic addition, this standard combines these modes by adding the square root of the squares. 4. This standard includes the effect of vertical acceleration. Conclusion. The AC standard was born basically to guide a user to that during development of activities. No type of error is made, however, it gives the mere freedom that the person who applies it can discern between its applicability, its limits, and the same for provide a complete and comprehensive set of producers for seismic analysis. Thank you.